Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your AO Smith water heater suddenly stops heating properly, takes too long to warm water, makes unusual sounds, or starts behaving differently than normal, it can feel disturbing, especially when hot water is part of your daily routine. Sometimes the water feels only warm instead of hot, while other times the system seems to run but performance suddenly changes without warning. A situation like this can happen because of power interruptions, temperature settings, water flow concerns, or temporary system issues that simply need attention. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are a few simple things worth checking because many AO Smith water heater problems can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy troubleshooting steps to help fix common AO Smith water heater issues. Try these. Step 1. Check power connected to the AO Smith water heater if hot water suddenly stops. Step 2. Review temperature settings on the AO Smith water heater if water feels cooler than normal. Step 3. Inspect the AO Smith water heater for visible leaks or unusual moisture nearby. Step 4. Listen to the AO Smith water heater if unexpected sounds begin during operation. Step 5. Restart the AO Smith water heater briefly if performance changed unexpectedly. Step 6. Test hot water from the AO Smith water heater again and confirm performance improves normally.